Good morning, Clearbrook, North Dallas. 2020 Porsche GT4, XPEL Ultimate Plus, full vehicle, XR Plus, window tint, 70 front windshield, 30% the rest of the vehicle. Ceramic coating over the bra with a 2-year Fine Labs, and then also ceramic coating on the wheels, calipers, and the inner dish of the wheel. So I'll go around this and just show you some points here. Obviously all the edges getting wrapped, and no, the headlights do not need to come out. That is absolutely ridiculous. Not necessary to take the whole car apart to take the headlights out. They wrap in just fine. I never did understand that, but more power to the guys that want to spend hours and your money taking headlights out when it's not necessary. Coming into the fender, wrapped in from the fender to the door. Mirrors fully wrapped all the way around. A-pillars fully wrapped all the way around. I'm gonna go a little quick on this. I've got things to do today. Door, quarter, all the way wrapped in. This piece all the way wrapped around. The letters fully wrapped, not cut out. So you can depress in here. Handles are wrapped all the way through. Depressed down into the door cup, all the way under the moldings. So far we've got our wrap nice and clean. Our wing fully wrapped. We do have a seam right in here that comes around to separate. And then the bumper all done in one, all the way through. GT4 gets removed, so then it goes back over the bra for no lines. And same thing over on this side. Everything just looks fantastic. There's a far out shot of the car. Everything's just looking wonderful. Great little car, man. I gotta tell you, did a great job on the GT4. Love it. Wheels look great. Water will shed wonderfully. So there you go, folks. GT4 2020, XPEL products throughout. Any questions? ClearBrownNorthDallas.com.